I just finished getting ready for church, and Maddie wants me to do her hair, so I'm going to go find her.
So we are doing a mermaid braid.
Do a mermaid braid on Maddie's hair, and we will show you guys when it's all done. We just finished Maddie's hair, and that's what it looks like. So, do you like it?
I love it.
So, Maddie and I have a new saying, and we're gonna say it to you on the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoopsie poopsie! Maddie's blowing up her wubble bubble.
Do it. Let's take a picture.
See, see, that makes a video.
Woo! Oh!
Or did you take it out?
I picked it out.
Oh, okay. It should light up. Cause there's see that thing that's shaking? It should light up. Who is that?
Rubble.
That's Rubble. And Chrissy got it for you, huh? Yeah. Good job. Show them what can you push the button and show it what it does? Show us what it does. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. We just got to church. We're going in. Say hi. Say, my name is Lincoln. Say hello. Hold it where you can see yourself. So hold it back like this. Here. See? Say hi.
How do you turn it off?
Well, say hi, I'm Noah.
I'm Noah.
Okay.
How do you turn it off?
So we are outside and we are riding bikes and scooters. Maddie is on a scooter that actually is so old. Maddie, did you know that scooter was a present for me when I turned 4?
Whoa.
Yeah. So that scooter is 31 years old.
So vlog, here we are outside.
Noah,
Playing
turn around and come back.
with so we are playing outside at his mom's house. So we are going to try a stunt. Well, I am.
Okay, Maddie's gonna do a stunt. Whoa.
Yeah. Okay. Say hi, Noah.
Are you pedaling or are you just riding? Good morning, it is Monday and I just finished getting out of the shower. I'm about to fix my hair and then we're gonna go to the Ocean City Boardwalk and get some donuts from Brown's. If you saw my last vlog, I tried to go there, but they had just closed. So hopefully this time they're actually open. Lincoln is carrying bears around and it's so cute, but hey Lincoln! Hey, Lincoln! Show Chrissy your bears! Show Chrissy your bears! He's got 2 of them, it's so cute.
Come on, buddy. Show the vlog.
Say good morning. What are you doing? What you got? Oh! You knocked over. We just got to Ocean City. Brown's is right behind me. We looked up where it actually was this time, so we didn't have to walk as far. We're actually going to be coming back to Ocean City later today to do the rides. So I'm not going to film very much while we're here because we're just grabbing donuts and going back. So we got our donuts and I'll show you them in a minute, but we're outside by the car eating the donuts and I was about to put mine in my mouth and a seagull swoops down and took my donut right out of my hand. I was so scared, I screamed.
Like a girl.
Oh my gosh, like I could feel the seagull like by my head. It was so scary. But on the bright side, I basically had already More than half of it. Yeah, there was just like a bite left.
I didn't realize it took it.
Oh yeah, it took the whole thing.
Holding it later. I thought it just like flew by you and scared you.
Nope, it took my donut. So we're gonna go to Wawa and I'm getting a sandwich. We are on our way